lot, of course, happening in the national capital. Let's start off by talking about that political storm itself that's brewing. So in the backdrop of the arrest of the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, we put out a poll asking the viewers if the arrest of the Aam Aadmi Party leader would garner sympathy for him and eventually help the party in the upcoming elections. And this is what the results look like. 20.8% said yes, while 74.7% said no. Around 4.5% went with the can't say option. And we now get you a young voice from the Indian capital itself. We asked a first-time voter what his expectations are from the coming elections, and here's what he had to say.
Recently, by Election Commission, a campaign was organized for the young students how they could vote. So, how we can register with the EIC, how we can, get our name registered in the voters list, how we can obtain a voter ID card, and then how we can go and then vote on, and then how through VVPAT an evidence would be generated, how to use EVM. So we were briefed with all of these by Election Commission this time. I would anticipate the government to much more, as a student, to much more increase their investment in the education sector. Because the new education policy is very great with respect to the implementation and the students. The only thing they need to do is increase the infrastructure and the budget for the same. I think the results would be pretty much crystalline for the young generations, because we think that every thing that the government has introduced in the Indian economy, and let's suppose the importance on topics such as space research, defense, green economy. I think the previous governments, digitalization, all these concepts are the concepts which are much appealing to the young generation.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.